how to delete your Telegram account. Hi guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Telegram account. So the first step you have to take here is to tap on the three dots at the left corner of your screen, tap on settings and privacy. So you have to scroll down and search for Telegram FAQ. Then you have to scroll down, tap on delete your Telegram account. So on delete your Telegram account, you have to scroll down and tap on deactivation page. So on your deactivation page, you have to enter the phone number that you use and register the Telegram account, and the next thing is there is a code that will be sent to that phone number. You just have to enter the phone number and immediately your Telegram account will be deleted. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.